So there it is, the new DJI Osmo Action camera. Yeah, so let's see how it works. And here we go. My unboxing knife. Or do I need a knife? Do I really need a knife? I don't think so. I'll try it without a knife. And yes, it seems to work without a knife. Or maybe not. What happened? So in the end I decided that I will try it with my good old unboxing knife. And here we go. Thank you, beer grills. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Do I need a manual to open this up? Ah, yeah, I see. Okay. So that's it. Voila! That's the DJI Osmo Action. This is a Apple style kind of packaging, I guess. This is, what is this? This should be, oh, some kind of stuff. Kind of mounts a cable and a screw. Okay. Here's some kind of manual. Nobody reads this. And the funny thing, Osmo with blah blah blah. Oh, I don't need this. Maybe I'll look inside later. But now, these are the exciting parts. This is maybe the battery. Oh yes. The battery has the door attached actually on the battery, and this is a nice seal. Yes, seems like a nice seal. Okay, here comes the cable. USB-C type. I don't have that many USB-C type of gadgets around. And this is a nice screw. Yeah, it smells like new. I like the smell of new, but I don't think it's very healthy to breathe in plastic smell. Yeah. This is a mount, yeah, with a sticker or glue, yeah, and this as well, yes. So here's the housing of the GoPro, yes, I'm saying GoPro. Yes, this seems like to look like a GoPro, but it's a DJI. I had GoPro Hero 4 Black, but because it lacks image stabilization, I rarely used it and I ended up selling it. So this is the cage. It's kind of cheap plastic. Yeah, Let's see how reliable it turns out to be. And this is it. This is the camera. Nice sticker in front. Tighten the lens jacket before swimming. Yes, and I heard on some reviews that this is very hard to unscrew the first time. Yes, it is. I will try that later. No. I hope I will be able to do this. So, this was the wrong way. You can't actually stick it in the wrong way. You have to, yeah. It's like, should now make a nice clicking sound. And this is very important to turn this. Yeah, it turns itself. Yeah, okay. So this is sealed. When I want to open the door, the battery compartment, and I have to push this, and I have to push this. Yeah, it's secure, I think. I hope so. Click. You have to push it a bit harder. Yeah, I think it's sealed now. So this is the card compartment. Ah, yes, okay. You should have to push it down and open it. And I notice that this can be... I'll try that later. Okay, there's the USB-C and the memory card slot. And this is the... yeah, it looks nice. I think this is for cooling the camera. Okay, I will now look for not USB but a SD card. So here's the card. SanDisk Extreme kinda. Okay, you have to push it inside this way. Yeah, it's shown on a picture. Okay, so now it's sealed, and now we should try it out. Maybe without charging it. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it worked. I have to charge it, of course. English, yeah, I'll set it in English. This is a nice touchscreen. It works almost even with the with the sticker on it. Okay. Yes, I'm still reading, reading and reading. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, I'll accept it. So yeah, the camera now should be activated. Voila. Speaking of Apple, like Apple Care, there is a DJI Care. Yeah, of course. Now it's installing the newest firmware. I couldn't skip this part. So let's see how it works. Wow. Yes. There is a lag. There is a lag, yes, of course. But I knew this from other reviews. Let's see if it will be fixed in future updates. Yeah, this some Wharfdale speakers, and this is my Dachshund running happy. Yes, it seems to work. The lag is kinda, yeah, it's there. If it's annoying, only time will tell. But on my GoPro I had no screen at all, so maybe this is an improvement. Let's see how it turns out for me. So I don't want to explain the whole menu and how it works, but there is a nice guide on it. like enable or disable rock steady, I will enable it, of course, and it's always there, but only when it's blue it's activated. Yeah. 4K. This is the resolution. You can swipe on to the side. Then here comes the frame rate, 50, 60, 30. Yes, when I'm running with my dog I will go for 50 or 60, but for normal use I think 30 are enough. Even 24, you can do a cinematic filming with this device. Yeah, the menu is kinda nice. Oh, empty. What is this? Okay, SD card empty means you cannot play back a video, I hope so. Auto and M, you have the auto mode and the M mode, manual mode. But this is such a small device, most of the time it will be used on automatic mode. For manual mode I have a DSLR or a Sony mirrorless camera. It will do the job in automatic, I think. So, yeah, brightness, I think this is the display brightness. Yes, it's on maximum. I think this is okay. Custom mode, yes, I have to play with these icons. I have no idea what they mean right now, because this is my first unboxing. I have to play a bit with it. So I'm very excited to try it out, to test it. As I said, I didn't use my GoPro very often because of the shaky footage I got afterwards, and stabilizing it with a gimbal was kind of flimsy. I didn't like a gimbal. I had one but I sold it, and the GoPro was only on the shelf without being used that often. So this is it for now. Maybe I'll post some nice footage, like chasing my dachshund in the woods or something like this. Have a nice day and bye bye.